What's that you're holding?
The part that we need for the snowmobile.
Show it to me.
But if you can't see it, just come over here. So this is the idler wheel. The most important idler wheel. And it holds the, if you imagine, this is at the very back of the snowmobile track. And that's where the track turns around and hits the snow, basically, or vice versa, actually. And so we lost one this weekend.
How'd we lose one?
You know, on the internet it said that they can ice up and pop off, but when we were talking to Timberline Motorsports, Rodney said that this bearing right here can just seize and like shoot the wheel off, basically. So I don't know. Column A, column B. There's 33 inches of snow. Who knows? The one thing that we did learn from the forums, and Rodney did say in his nonchalant way, yes, we should have more than one of these. So the way that I heard it online is that this is like a spare tire. So
Fantastic. Well, we're going to go change it today.
Oofda.
And we'll show you how it works, I guess.
While we learn.
Here we are at the Mountain Cat. We lost that back idler wheel there, which is what's giving us trouble. We got stuck what looks right next to the trail, although we were stuck before the groomer came by. There wasn't a trail. Would have made it a lot easier. At least walking down with the dogs. I drove our other snowmobile down to bring down some tools and stuff. So digging it out right now, and we'll work on it and hopefully get it running here soon.
Yeah.
So that's how it fits in there for the most part. I have to move the track. You don't think you can just slide it on?
Possibly. I mean, no.
No? Okay. We'll take an extra few set of hands. We don't need to break anything. Hey, doggies.
Jasper. Courtney.
So we got the new one on. What you have to do is there's this bolt, which you have to have a wrench for each side and hope that the side you want to get loosens first. We weren't so lucky. We cranked down the other side and then used the ratchet on this side and just a wrench on the other side. For whatever reason, that did the trick. So take the old bearing off that was all shredded. We loosened this up. The like tensioner, so that we could then slide this wheel on. We tightened down both of these bolts using the wrenches on each side, and then retighten this one. Unfortunately, we don't have a little rubber cap to cover that, so I'm sure it's going to get packed with snow and ice and stuff. But hopefully it won't be an issue. That side's green. The original side is red. Christmas colors.
Hi.
Hi. Started up immediately. It's great. Let it warm up here for a second, then we'll see. Hopefully it'll just come right out. Made a nice little ramp. Victory. Ta-da.